We got a package. Ooh, we got a package. Ooh, we got a package. Ooh, 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 ooh. If you're new here, I'm Crazy. And I'm Kim. I make a lot of videos around tech content, cozy gaming, balancing your tech career as a working mom, and just having a good time with all things tech. Today, I have a really cool thing to show you that was sent to me. This is the second neon sign that I've gotten from Neonawall store. I've worked with them before on a previous neon sign. I'll post the short video that I did on that. Love it. They reached out to me and offered to send me another sign, and this time it's even more custom. It's a bit different than my last one. And yeah, let's open it up and see how it looks. We got a package. Oh, that's about to be my new unboxing song. Do y'all have unboxing songs if you unbox stuff on your channels? That's about to be my unboxing song. As a toddler mom, you gotta turn everything into a song. So we have a song for like everything. All right, we have cleared off the majority of the desk space here. You know, there's other bits and bobs on the desk that is not really gonna be relevant for this video, but know that it's here, and let us get the box. If it fits, it ships. So this gives you an idea of the size of the sign. I'll put up the image that I sent as a reference to them. This is a custom sign that I asked for. It is using Japanese and Chinese characters. It says wabi sabi, which is a Japanese saying, which means like philosophy that just kind of encourages you to just understand that like life is not perfect. There's beauty in imperfection and being simple and just like accepting things the way they are. So examples would be like, nothing is perfect, nothing's permanent. That's a really big one for me, understanding and just accepting that like nothing in life is permanent, including life itself. That's helped me through a lot of difficult times of grief. Finding strength and beauty in the process of healing and repair, reframing challenges rather than finding issues with them. And then kind of just trying to break away from like things that are unnecessary. So like material things, for example. So it shipped directly from China. Shipping, I think, was about a week and a half. This was before tariffs. When this video airs, I think we're gonna be at the like, what, 150% tariff or whatever. Hong Kong is gonna stop sending things via sea, so shipping is gonna be a lot more expensive. I don't know how much longer like shipping is gonna be reasonable for some of these things getting manufactured in China, but we'll see. The last package I got from them was packaged pretty well. Like they really pad this thing because obviously, you know, they don't want it to come to you broken. I would love to do a better top-down shot of this. I would have a space. I would need need to be super high up though too to do it. All right, wow, look at that. Look at this packaging, y'all. Look at all this tape. They're not playing around. I don't remember the size that I got this in. I will also put all of the specifications that I got for this sign. So the last sign I got from Neonawall store was it was a smaller one and it was just my name with like a heart. So it was like two colors. This one, I asked for a multicolor in this one. And then when she originally did the mock-up, she had the wrong characters. And then we had to address that, but yo, oh my God. Hold on, wait a minute. All right, so I did get the one that comes with, oh, did I get the remote one? Okay, so apparently I got the one that comes with the remote. I didn't even realize the one with the remote. The last one didn't come with the wireless remote. It was just a clicker on-board clicker. But this one has a wireless remote. So I can control it wirelessly. Sweet. I don't even know how much this would have cost out of pocket, but shout out to Neonawall store, I tell you. And then they give you instructions, which are really nice for hanging up your sign. The packaging on this, they do not play around, and I love how much care they put into the packaging because you know how many times have you ordered something and then it arrived broken. So they like bubble wrap the heck out of this thing. There's a lot of cords here. Okay, so then you also get y'all, this sign, I am obsessed. You also get these mounting hooks here, which I appreciate them adding. I will be honest, I will recommend that depending on what kind of paint you have, you use 3M strips command strips that have the pull thingy. I've used these kinds of hooks on my wall before, and they absolutely will take off your paint, but it rips holes off of your wall. So honestly, for me, anytime I hang anything, it has to be the like 3M strips that you can pull to release, because otherwise it's gonna damage your walls. And yeah, especially living in a rental. I live in a house, but you know. All right, so then you get your power cable. Your power cable is 12 volts. And then this is the one that you would plug into your wall. This is the one that would plug into this here, I believe. Yes, so this plugs into this, and then this, and this is going into the sign. Oh, are y'all ready for this? This is the sign. It says Wabi Sabi, and I got it in a variation of colors, and then it's in this little chat bubble. Do y'all see this sign? It's truly insane. So with the sign, you can see the wires, of course. So like, you're gonna see the wires because of how they have to do elements, right, to light up the letters. How do they even do this? I sent them a picture and I was like, I want it designed like this, but this is what I want in the bubble. How do they even do this? This is what the back looks like. There is film on the back, so you'll wanna remove this before you plug it in. So it doesn't have that like matte kind of like frosted look on the back, but this is the back of the sign. All right, folks, we gotta plug this bad boy in. Okay, but you have this spot here at the top for hanging, putting your hooks through. If you wanna do hooks, they also give you a chain if you wanna mount it with a chain. We gotta find a good spot to put it. So let's test it out. All right, so I'm gonna plug in the sign and then turn off my one key light here. My this key light, MVP of the year, y'all, from Viltrox. Color me impressed, Neonawall. I don't even know how y'all do it. If y'all need a custom sign, I'm gonna tell you right now, I have always wanted a neon, like a custom neon sign. Now I have two, but I've always been afraid of like, what if they get it wrong? What if the colors aren't right? What if it's like janky? And I was impressed with the last one, and I'm definitely gonna be impressed with this one, I feel like, just based on just how this looks. It looks exactly like how I wanted it to look. And then just working with them like has been really easy and simple. They've been so patient with me going back and forth about like what I wanted or like colors, and they've just been really, really great of a like Amazon vendor to work with, which if you want one, I'll leave the code for you in the description. Okay, we're gonna turn off this light here. All right, we're also gonna turn off our monitor light. Okay, so now you can kind of see what this will look like when I turn this on. Let me find some power here. I don't know how this would, whoo, whoo, whoo! Y'all can't even see it, it's so daggone bright. Damn, dude. Okay, hang on, I'm gonna have to, y'all, it's blown out. That's how daggone bright this thing is, y'all. Okay, it's too bright, hang on. Just absolutely incredible. So this is using the switch on the power supply, not the wireless remote. So you can't dim it from the switch. It will just be at the max brightness. So I actually have an ND filter on right now on my camera because it's so bright. But if you just look at this, it is just absolutely stunning, 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 stunning LED sign. I can't wait to hang this up in my office when it is ready to be hung up. It just looks incredible, incredible. All right, so here's the sign. Here's my hand. It's pretty big. I'm just wildly impressed with how good this looks, and I can't wait to get this in my office. It is so bright. It's gonna add great ambiance to any space, and yeah, y'all, I think you're gonna love it. If you are in the market for a neon sign, a custom one, I cannot recommend Neonawall store enough. Yeah, tell them I sent you. All right, and that was my video of my second custom sign from Neonawall store. They have been an absolute treat to work with. I cannot recommend them enough, especially if you are nervous about spending so much money on a sign, or you just aren't sure if it's gonna look the way that you envision it to look. I put my faith and trust in them, and they executed flawlessly twice so far. So I cannot recommend them enough. If you do want to check them out, I left a link to their product listing on Amazon. It's custom. You have to fill everything in. But yeah, if you do use my link and you purchase anything, it does help me out because it is an affiliate link. Again, I love this sign. If they ask me for a third video and they ask me if I want another sign, I will just put neon signs all in my entire office because it's just been great every single time. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out any more videos, feel free to check out the video that's coming up next, or this one that's right here on the screen. YouTube thinks you might like it, and I think you might like it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.